Okay, let's see the question. A bag contains 2 pairs of white socks and 1 pair of black socks. A sock is drawn at random without replacement before a second sock is drawn at random. Find the probability that the 2 socks drawn are of the same color by using a possibility diagram. So here we need to use possibility diagram. Okay, let W represent the white socks, P represent black socks. So we can see given information from the first sentence that a bag contains 2 pairs W sock, which means that we have 4 socks, right? So let's say this W1, W2, W3, and W4, and then we have 1 pair black socks, which means it contains 2 socks, B1 and B2. So in the possibility diagram, we can complete it here: W1, W2, W3, W4, B1, B2, and then W1 the same here, B1, B2. It means we are done with the first sentence. Now let's see the second sentence. A sock is drawn at random without replacement. Before a second sock is drawn at random. It means the keyword is without replacement. It means that if we get, for the first sock, if we get W1, is it possible to take W1 as the second sock? No, right? Because we just have one W1, where here, as we know, our experiment is without replacement. So if we already take W1 as the first sock, it means the possible outcomes for the second sock is only W2, 3, 4, and B1, B2, right? So this is, for this one, we just keep it blank. We will not draw dot here because it is not the possible outcome. It is impossible. So let's just draw dot here, this, and this. And then let's check the next one. If we already take W2 as the first sock, is it possible to get W2? No, right? Or we can just conclude that we cannot get the same sock for the first and the second one because we just have one letter for each year. We just have one W1, W2, W3, and 4. The same with B1 and B2. So let's just skip, because this is W2, let's just skip W2 here. So it is this, and then this one W3, it means we just skip W3. Then W4, we skip W4 here. And then for B1, we skip B1 here. Then for B2, we skip B2. Okay, now we can see for each row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So NS is 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30, right? So NS is 30. And for the third sentence, find the probability that the 2 socks drawn are the same color by using a possibility diagram. The same color, so it means white, right? Or black. W1, W2, this is the same color, white. This is no, so this one white also. Let's just see all the possible outcome. So for white, done right. So now let's see for black, black and black here, black and black here. So the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, right? So the probability that the two socks drawn are of the same color, just say same color. The probability that the two socks are the same color is 7 and 14, yeah. 14 out of 30. So it is 7/15.